Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your crypto wallet. It can be MetaMask or Trust Wallet to your lwex.com account. For that, first of all, you need to come on lwex.com and then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, at the time of recording this video, there is no directly option given by lwex.com for you to actually link your crypto wallets to lwex.com, but since there is a workaround of doing it, you will have to make some deposits into the lwex account, and whichever wallet you are going to use for the transaction will be added as your most default wallet. So in order to do it, simply click on this asset tab in the top and then click on the recharge option. Over here, select which currency you want to recharge your account with. It can be USDT, BTC or Ethereum. Afterwards, you need to select the recharge network and you can choose the options between TRC20 and ERC20. Then you need to copy this QR code or this wallet address, and from your crypto wallet you need to simply deposit the amount. Now once the first deposited is successful, when you click on the asset tab again and go to the recharge section, you will be able to see your crypto wallet that you have used previously. You can even find that by clicking on this recharge record option, and it will come here in this section, and from here you can use the same crypto wallet in order to make the deposits again. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.